So just forewarning, I am going to celebrate a little bit in the intro of this video. So if you want to get to the nitty-gritty good stuff of this video, I will have the time space down below where you can just skip forward and go right onto this video. But I truly needed a little segment in here to just show my appreciation to you guys. So thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am very excited today. If you guys didn't know, I hit 100,000 subscribers and YouTube just sent me my reward plaque. I never thought when I first started my YouTube channel that I would ever reach this goal. I literally was like, if I get 500 subscribers, I'm gonna be on top of the world. And ever since then, every single milestone I've hit has truly been an unbelievable experience, and I'm so humbled and I'm so grateful. So truly this, I'm speechless. I'm just really thankful, and I'm beyond words. I wanted to share this experience with you guys. I did open it the other day on my Instagram just because I couldn't wait. Like, I literally was waiting by the door for the UPS truck to come. This is the box that it came in. Pretty exciting. Came with like a congratulations card. It's not a card, piece of paper. And then comes like this. I'm actually gonna keep it in the box until we move because I'm gonna put it up in my new filming room when we move. But there it is. Presented to Chloe Brown for passing 100,000 subscribers. Can you see my setup in the mirror? I think that this is really cool. Very thankful. Pretty excited. I have my plaque. So thank you guys so much for coming along on this journey with me, supporting me, being here for me, liking my videos, watching my stuff, and subscribing to my channel. Literally, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, right into the video. I just want to first start out and say that this video is not sponsored whatsoever. I just realized that I haven't talked about this and my experience with any of these products. So I haven't done a video of talking about hair health or my blonde hair in over 5 months, I think. So it's been a long journey since then, and my hairdresser has helped me a lot with really helping me do really good treatments on my hair from Olaplex. So I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. Now, before I started going to my aunt, her name is right here. Her name is Cami. She's amazing at color. She truly saved my hair. She was really adamant about me going in and getting Olaplex treatments a lot. And I really appreciated how much she took care of my hair. So I decided to go kind of that route and really look into the Olaplex shampoo, conditioner, and number 3 treatment. I truly use every single one of these products, no joke. Now, some I use more than others, some I used in the beginning and then kind of switched over to new products, but I just wanted to show you guys things, different options that you can do to heal damaged hair or protect blonde hair from creating more damage. The thing that really helped me in the beginning with healing a lot of damage to my hair was these 2 products right here from Fanola. This is their restructuring mask. You guys have seen me use this many times before. It's in my favorites videos. So this has been along the ride with me. It lasts a really long time. I mean, this is a huge jug. So this helped my hair feel super silky without feeling heavy. It really did help. I would use this every single time I would take a shower. Instead of using conditioner, I would use this mask. I really needed to baby my hair in the beginning, so that's what I did. It smells so good. It smells like cupcakes. My husband loves their stuff too, so he uses their shampoo. You can buy it on Amazon. It's sold through Fanola. I will put the link in the description, so everything that I'm talking about will be linked in the description box below. This bond builder is really good. I really like this. Now, do I prefer the Olaplex over it? Yes, I do, but if you guys want something that's a big bottle that lasts quite a long time. This was the first thing that I used when trying to fix damage and build my hair back. So this was a really good helper to that. So this is the Fiber Fix Bond Connector number 2 from Fanola. Now, a while ago, I did some stuff for Aveda. I truly was amazed at how wonderful their products worked, and I learned way more about their company, and their stuff is legit, and it's great. Now, like I said, this video is not sponsored for this, so they are not paying me to say this. I just truly love the products. Their Damage Remedy line, I really love it. This is almost gone. This is their intensive restructuring treatment. It's a like deep conditioning treatment. Love it. Now we're gonna move on to Olaplex. And I didn't think that their shampoo and conditioner would work as well as it does, but it does. It works great. And a little bit goes a long way, especially with their shampoo. I know that this stuff is like a little pricier. I think you can buy it at Sephora. I'll put the link in the description box down below, but this is the Bond Maintenance shampoo. This is pretty much all I use now, especially now that my Damage Remedy shampoo is gone. This is what I use every single time I take a shower. Been using this for a month now. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And you can see there is still a ton. Like, I only used this much of the bottle in a month, which is pretty crazy. I use their conditioner as well, helps a lot. Now, I sometimes use the Damage Remedy conditioner too. Sometimes I'll even put this on my special areas that I want a lot of attention to, and then I'll use the other Damage Remedy conditioner or the Fanola one just for the rest of my hair, because stuff is expensive and I want to use everything that I have without wasting it. So that's a good tip if you want things to last longer or stretch, but you don't want to just like get rid of your old stuff that you're using. Use it on your less damaged parts of your hair, and then your more damaged parts, use stuff that's more expensive. Their number 3, I feel like this is the same as their number 2. At least it smells like it, it feels like it, and you do the same things with it. So their number 2, you can only like get in salons, and you sit there, do like a 15-minute soaking treatment, and then you wash and condition your hair. This, you do the same thing. So this is an at-home thing that you can do. It's a very small bottle. I use it like once a week, once every 2 weeks, but if your hair is super damaged, you could use it 2 to 3 times a week. You just apply it to your damp hair, let it sit for about 15 minutes. Yeah, it says leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Then you rinse from your hair, shampoo and condition. I think this has made the biggest difference on my hair, plus getting the number 2 treatments. Sometimes I even get like a gold water treatment, which is their Olaplex 1 mixed with water. Let that set on my hair for a good 15 minutes. It's called their gold treatment. I don't know. But it definitely helps make my bonds of my hair a lot stronger, and I notice a difference, way less breakage, because everybody that has blonde hair knows that it does break off, especially if you have platinum hair. You see a lot of breakage. So definitely, if you're going to invest in getting blonde hair and spending that much money going blonde, I highly suggest you spend as much money taking care of it, because you will regret it in the long run. Now, I wish I wasn't as stubborn in the beginning and just kind of used products that I already had on hand. I truly wish that I would have invested in a lot of things that were good for blonde hair. I kind of was oblivious to it and I wouldn't say stubborn, I just didn't want to splurge. Stuff adds up, but I definitely use. There's a lot of misconceptions with purple shampoos. I think people use them too often. They do dry your hair out, and so I don't use them very often. I use them once every 2 weeks, and when I use them, I make sure that I do a very deep conditioner right before I use them. So I'll do a deep conditioner, and then I will use a purple shampoo, and then I will use a deep conditioner again. So that's the way that I use my purple shampoos, and it's just because they dry out my hair. They definitely get the job done by getting all the brass out. I have 2 of my favorites that I use. The first one is a very pigmented shampoo, and this is the Fanola No Yellow shampoo. This is what they use in the salons a lot of times. You can buy it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box below. I use a tiny bit, and I actually mix it with other shampoo too, because it's so dark. Like, it is so dark. You can tell, like, it's even stained the bottle at the top. But I've had this for 2 years, and it's halfway gone. So I love this stuff. If you don't want to spend a ton of money, or I don't know, your hair isn't doesn't need that much purple fixing, then I would just go to Sally Beauty. This is the first one that I ever used. This is the generic value products from Sally Beauty. This is very similar to the Shimmer Lights from Clairol. It's pretty dark too. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna try to get it up without spilling. Yeah, you see that? It has like a pearlescent color to it. My sisters all use this that have blonde hair. It works great. I use it too. It's definitely more conditioning than the Fanola one, so I don't have to be as careful with deep conditioning and the hair drying out. But I would say that the Fanola one has so much more pigment in it that it works quicker and faster and it lasts longer. But this one is only $10. So just giving you guys options. When I get out of the shower, I did something with Aquas a while ago. They sent me this hair turban. I air dry my hair all the time, so this was great. I seriously use this every single time I take a shower now. I towel dry my hair and I leave it towel dried for about 30 minutes. I used to, like I said, just use the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. This stuff lasts forever. It seriously lasts forever. I think it's like 20 bucks. They were just on sale at JCPenney for $7, so I grabbed 3. I had mine for 2.5 years before it just emptied, and there's still like a tiny little bit left in it. But I would just use 1.5 pumps, and that was it, and just put it throughout my whole hair. It smells delicious. It definitely helps with humidity. It shines your hair great. I love it. So Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum, you guys hear me talking about it all the time. It's great. Now I have used the similar one or the dupe at Sally Beauty. It does work really good. I definitely think that the Paul Mitchell one is my go-to, but this is a cheaper version of it. Now, like I said, I have been switching my stuff up lately, and my friend Julie sent me some stuff, and she sent me the Shimmer Me Blonde from Kevin Murphy and then the Malou Hair Shield by Davines. I love these. I love these. I love these. Unfortunately, I actually think that you can buy Davines online. Kevin Murphy, you have to buy like in a salon. It's really hard to find their stuff online, but I will try for you guys and put them in the description box below. If I can't find them, I will just put the names of them, but love these lovelies. And you guys heard me talk about the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. I use these. I mostly focus it at the front of my hair and then like where these little pieces are in the front. So it's mostly just there, and then just because I noticed that that's the most breakage, so I want to baby the parts of my hair that I'm trying to grow out. So love this stuff. Also, a great 18-in-1 benefit leave-in conditioner is the Fab Me. This does make my back break out. I think I might be allergic to something in it, but a ton of my friends use it. I love the product. I wish it didn't make my back break out, but I don't use it as much anymore. But it has a ton of great benefits in it, so that's another one that's a really good leave-in treatment. So then once my hair is halfway air dried, I put that stuff in it, and then I let it sit for about 10 more minutes, and then I will blow dry the roots of my hair and then let everything else air dry. That's kind of how I do my routine. I don't like using a ton of heat products on it. When I use my straighteners, I only put my straighteners up to 320 to 350 max. Usually I'm down to 320, 330. I like to stay in that range. You do not need high heat for your straighteners. It makes me so sad when people use 450 on their straighteners. Just because your straightener can go up to 450 does not mean that you should ever do that. Now, if you have thicker hair that's not bleached, you can use a higher heat, but please don't. Just use the lowest heat that gets the job done. You will do way less damage to your hair. Just please do that, please. And if you don't have a heat gauge on your straightener, get one that has a heat gauge on it. I will put the straightener that I use down in the description box below. I have a code for mine that's 30% off. I will put that down there too. Curling irons, I do use a higher heat for curling irons. I use about 375 through 370 for my curling irons. Yeah, those are just some tips that I have done to salvage damage, prevent damage, prevent further damage on my blonde hair. And yeah, I hope that this video gives you a little insight, encourages you guys to think more about protecting your hair. It is very true when they say you go blonde, it's an investment. It truly is. It's an upkeep, and it's a lot. It is a lot. All right, I hope this video was helpful. I will see you guys in my next one.